Mommy, for you.
Ayun, happy birthday, baby Skyler, our baby. You are blessing to us. And thank you so much for being such a great kid. And that you always make us proud. And my one and only wish is lumaki kang healthy. And always remember na andito lang kami always, nila mama, papa, kuya, daddy, to guide you hanggang sa paglaki. Yan, I love you.
Alright, thank you so much po, Mami Marilu. Ayan, si Lola po. Ayan, hingan din natin ang birthday wish.
Happy birthday, Apo. Sana mag-aaral ka na mabuti para matupad mo yung goal mo. God bless.
Alright, thank you so much po, Lola. And syempre, Skylar, close your eyes, make a wish. Alright, then, blow the candle. Yay! Palakpakan naman natin si Scholar at sa lahat ko ng mga bisita. Sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Let's all shout a happy birthday, Scholar!